Coastal chic interior design style. Coastal chic style is often used in homes near the water, but it can also work great in urban areas. Here are the 5 elements on how to create a serene, beach-inspired home. Number 1, the furniture. Traditional coastal chic furniture features both soft curves and simple lines with lots of slipcovers used on sofas and chairs. If not slipcovers, then skirted furniture gives that slipcover feel. Slipcovers are also great for dining room chairs. An inexpensive way to achieve this is by purchasing wooden dining chairs and covering them with basic white slipcovers for an elegant but casual vibe. For example, in a coastal chic living room, you might have an overstuffed sofa with white slipcovers, accented with blue and beige throw pillows. Pair this with a couple of rattan armchairs with light cushions for added comfort and style. The liberal use of slipcovers allows for easy cleaning, perfect for a beach lifestyle or a home full of kids and pets. Apart from slipcovers, go for comfortable overstuffed sofas and chairs covered in durable fabrics like cotton or poly blends. Classic pieces for this style include rattan chairs, whether for dining or as side chairs. For a chic look, use slip-covered chairs for your host and hostess chairs and rattan side chairs for the rest. Number 2, the materials. Wood is the predominant material in coastal chic. Think wood coffee tables, dining tables, end tables, and headboards. Distressed, worn wood fits perfectly. Mixing in traditional style pieces such as dining chairs with classic silhouettes or a few antique pieces adds a vintage vibe. Glass tables help maintain a light and bright feel, and Adirondack chairs are a must for outdoor spaces. In your living room, you might choose a reclaimed wood coffee table in the center, a glass side table, and distressed wood shelves to complete the look. Common materials in this style include rattan, wicker, and various shades of wood. Lighter woods like birch and pine, reclaimed or unfinished wood reminiscent of driftwood. Glass is also common, especially for tables and table lamps. For soft surfaces, use cotton and raw natural linens. Outdoor fabrics like sunbrella are popular for their durability. Flooring is typically wood, easily cleaned when water and sand are traipsed in. Light or whitewashed wood floors are common, but dark wood can also be striking. If wood or laminate isn't an option, waterproof low-pile carpet in beige or taupe works. Number 3, the color scheme. Coastal chic uses a lot of neutrals: white, cream, beige, khaki, brown, and gray. Various shades of blue, from cobalt to navy to turquoise, are essential. For warmth, consider deep orange, which complement blues beautifully. Light green can also be a good accent color. For instance, in your living room, paint the walls in a light beige with white trim. Add blue accents throughout the room in the pillows, rugs, and artwork to bring the space to life. For walls, light neutral colors brighten the space. If using blue, either a blue-gray for a classic feel or a vibrant blue for an accent wall or specific room works well. Patterns are minimal, but stripes, nautical prints, and chevron can add a fun contemporary touch. Number 4, the decorations. Art and accessories should be ocean-themed. Pictures of sea life, beach-inspired art, black and white beach photos, or an oversized framed nautical map. Mirrors, especially with weathered wood or driftwood frames, reflect light around the room. Rattan baskets hold beach gear, and beadboard or planked wood walls add to the look. Palm trees are an obvious plant choice, but any indoor plant will work. Add a few sea-inspired accessories like nautical pillows, coral sculptures, seashells, and collections of colored glass bottles. In the bedroom, white bedding is ideal. For your window covering, light linen or gauzy fabric curtains filter in a lot of light and look fantastic with a light breeze. Bamboo blinds are also a great choice. The goal is to let in as much natural light as possible, so avoid heavy window coverings. Number 5, lighting. For lighting, use simple lantern pendants in the kitchen, a capiz shell chandelier for the dining room or bedroom, and glass or coral-inspired table lamps. A driftwood chandelier would also fit well. In your living room, you might hang a capiz shell chandelier in the center, use table lamps with glass bases on the side tables, and place a floor lamp with a natural linen shade in the corner for additional lighting. By following these principles, you can create a serene coastal chic space in your home. Stay tuned to our channel for more coastal chic inspiration and design tips. Check the description below for products you can use to achieve this look.